was so young and so full of life, and just one of the loveliest human beings I've ever met.
Tell everybody how great he was, and at the other side of his character was very quiet, humble, peaceful type of guy.
You just didn't know what he was going to do. That's the whole thing. You weren't quite sure when you went out whether it's safe or not to go out with it, you know.
He was kind, he was generous, but more importantly, he was just helpful to all the new guys. And I think if you talk to anybody, that's what they remember about him, his warmth. Very warm guy.
They talk about his jovial attitude, his wonderful sense of humor, and his performances on the field, which were just spectacular.
Yeah! I am the strongest! I am the Viking! Yeah!
Strong, he was fast, endurance, he had it all. He was the complete package.
He was so handsome, of course. He just had to put his nose out of the door and the girls would appear.
En þarna var það allt vitlaust. Það bara var komið upp rífandi stemning og allir vildu vera sterkastu menn í heimi.
Þetta ekkert mál fyrir Jón Pál.
11.3, a new competition record. All the world is staged to John Paul.
He did what for strongman like Muhammad Ali did for boxing. Glamorized it.
Sharing and caring is just part of the brotherhood.
And that's the fastest time of all. And a little slalom now from the champion. He's really fired up. And all the world's a stage for this man.
There can be only one. And that day, it was John Paul Sigmarsson. He was really amazing.
John Paul Sigmarsson, the world's strongest man.
John Paul Sigmarsson, the world's strongest man.